In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up iCloud Mail on Thunderbird. We'll walk through preparing your Apple ID, adding your iCloud account to Mozilla Thunderbird on Windows, entering the correct IMAP settings, and finishing up so your mail starts syncing right away. The key requirement is that iCloud Mail works in Thunderbird only with IMAP and an Apple app-specific password, not your normal Apple ID password. First, prepare your iCloud account. Make sure two-factor authentication is turned on for your Apple ID. This is required for generating an app-specific password. Then open a browser and go to appleid.apple.com. Sign in, head to Sign In and Security, and open app-specific passwords. Generate a new password for Thunderbird. Give it a label so you'll recognize it later and copy it. Keep it handy. You'll paste it into Thunderbird instead of your usual Apple password. If you ever lose it, you can simply revoke it and create a new one. Treat it like any other password and avoid sharing it or storing it in plain text. Now switch to Thunderbird. Open the app, click the menu icon in the top right and choose Account Settings. At the bottom of the left pane, select Account Actions, then add Mail Account. You'll see fields for your name, your iCloud email address, and a password. Enter the display name you want others to see, type your full iCloud email address, and paste the app-specific password you just generated. Instead of letting Thunderbird guess the settings, click Configure Manually so you can confirm everything is correct. Enter the IMAP details. For incoming, use imap.mail.me.com on port 993 with SSL TLS for security. Set authentication to normal password, and be sure the username is your full iCloud email address. For outgoing, use smtp.mail.me.com on port 587 with Start TLS for security. Again, choose normal password for authentication and use your full iCloud email as the username. Double check for typos, confirm that IMAP is selected rather than POP, and make sure the outgoing server you just added is set for this account. When everything looks right, click Done or use Retest if you see that option, and then save. Thunderbird will begin syncing your inbox and standard folders like Sent and Drafts. The first sync can take a bit of time, especially if you have a large mailbox. You can right-click the account to subscribe to additional folders if needed. If you get an authentication error, verify that two-factor authentication is enabled and that you pasted the correct app-specific password. Once connected, try sending a test message to confirm both incoming and outgoing mail are working. That's it. Your iCloud Mail is now set up in Thunderbird using IMAP.